Understanding invalid or corrupt archive errors.
Archive files like zip or RAR can become damaged during downloads, transfers, or unexpected interruptions. When opened, these files may display an invalid or corrupt archive error, making it difficult to access their contents. Learning why these errors occur is the first step in repairing and recovering your important files quickly and safely.
Checking the archive file first.
Before attempting any repairs, make sure your archive isn't partially downloaded or incomplete. Try re-downloading the file from a reliable source if possible. Also, check the file extension to confirm it matches the expected archive format, such as .zip or .rar. Small mistakes can sometimes be fixed with these basic steps.
Using built-in repair tools in compression software.
Most popular archive managers like WinRAR and 7-Zip come with built-in repair features. In WinRAR, open the damaged file and click Tools, then Repair Archive. In 7-Zip, right-click the file, choose Open Archive, and look for any extraction or test options available. These automated tools often fix minor corruption issues.
Extracting files from partially corrupt archives.
If repair options fail, try extracting undamaged files. Sometimes only part of the archive is faulty. Use the extraction tools to select and recover healthy files, skipping any with errors. This method won't save everything, but can help you recover important documents or images still intact in the archive.
Preventing archive corruption in the future.
To avoid future archive errors, always use trusted sources for your downloads. Let downloads finish completely before opening the file, and keep your compression software up to date. If you routinely handle large or important archives, consider creating backup copies. These habits help protect your data and reduce the chance of corruption.